Show your monster what to do. Read the message out loud and let's go! You already know that can look like this, as in
umbrella.
It can also look like this, as in
bush.
Use this knowledge to find the spell book. It's Miss Jumble and Miss Jangle. Miss Jumble wants words with the sound, and Miss Jangle wants words with the sound. Can you give them the right words? There's a Tricky. Tickle her 3 times and she will join you. The Tricky has jumped away. Quick, find her. Can you click on the word?
Wood.